Good afternoon, John here. I'm debating whether or not to make that into a table. It's a piece of marble somebody gave me. It's just a round piece of marble. And then the base is another one of those chunks of apple from my boyhood tree that I carved into just an abstract. That one had nothing. it's just an abstract blob of apple wood. But I'm debating. Number one, I think I need something here because it might be a little tippy this way. It's perfectly fine every other way. It's fine that way, but I need to attach another leg to keep it from tipping, and then attaching it. I was thinking about using the 3x construction adhesive. I'm not sure yet, or screwing another round board on. That's probably what I would do. I'd probably screw another round board to the base, and then glue with the construction adhesive the two surfaces together. Let me know in the comments if you think it's. I'm gonna think about it for a while. If you think it'd be worth it. Alrighty, have a good one. God bless.